This is code.org, and we're going to investigate and modify. Run the program, don't have to tell me twice. Okay, so Julia, we got 61,000, 36,000 for Sam, and Ashley's coming in at 6,000. Interesting. Let's see what's going on here. Look at the animator file. So real quick, guys, we have three instances, right? We have an animator class, a crew member class, and a sound mixer class. All of these must be derived from the crew member, right? So the animator must be extended or a subclass of crew member. I know that because we're declaring Julia as a crew member, but instantiating the animator class for the object. Sound mixer must also be a subclass of crew member. And yep, extends crew member, extends crew member, and crew member is a class on its own. And then we create this list. Now we loop through the list of our humans or our classes and instantiations of classes, our objects, and we print out their name and their salary. Yes. Okay. Oh, yep, that's what we do. All right. Look at the animator file. What do you notice about the class? What does getSalary do? GetSalary, let's see, we use double, so we create a variable salary, we set it equal to super.getSalary. Well, what is super? Super refers to the parent class, right? So animator is extending crew member. So super refers to crew member. Crew member getSalary, what does that do? It's going to return its monthly pay times 12. So that's what this is going to do. Now, how does the animator's monthly pay get set? It gets set right here in the animator's constructor. The constructor calls the super to set the name and the monthly pay. So, which means this stuff right here. Okay, cool. So that's what it does. They want us to, and then it takes our salary, what number we get. Our salary is going to be equal to the salary plus whatever bonus they have, if they have any, and then we return that. Now they want us to comment out this, which is definitely going to cause an error because salary isn't defined anywhere else in here. What? Oh, yep, it says we can't find this symbol. Yeah, that's what would happen. Okay. So now let's look at the soundmixer.java. What do you notice about this class? What does getSalary do? GetSalary here, well, it just returns the number of month times getMonthly pay. Number of months is passed here. What's getMonthly pay? I assume it's up here. Yep, and there's getMonthly pay. Now, something I want to point out here, look, public double getSalary. Public double getSalary. Public double getSalary. So in the animator class, though, what I commented out was the call to our superclass getSalary. It did not ask me to comment out this method, so this method still ran. Now in this class, look at what do you notice, what does it do? Comment getSalary method in the sound mixer class. So now I'm going to just kill off this entire thing. And the distinction here is now this class no longer has that method. So you might think, well, wait a minute, mister. With that class, with the sound mixer class no longer having the method, when we loop through all of our instantiated objects here, Ashley, our instantiations of the classes, Ashley doesn't have a getSalary method. Ashley's going to break. Ashley, we are not breaking. Let me put your heart at ease. And the reason it won't break is because it doesn't matter that sound mixer doesn't have one, because Ashley is a sound mixer which is extending crew member. Crew member has one. So what we're really doing is just getting this regardless. Now, number of month times getMonthly pay, whereas crew member is 12 times monthly pay. So we're getting a slightly different number in that we don't care how many months they worked, we're just setting it equal to 12. However, it's not going to break. It's just going to give Ashley, who originally made $6,000, because she worked 3 months, a heck of a bonus. Cool. I can't wait to see what we do with this. Onward.